Okay. If you want to sit with Jill and not by yourself, then you have to turn around. Ready? Turn around.
Oh, come on.
With me. Okay.
What else is in there? Oh, that's my hairbrush.
Maybe more people get off the train, maybe. Right? I'll tell you what I'll do is I'll take your mommy at your house.
Look. That gives it a mohawk. You want a little mohawk? You Nemo there, buddy? What you doing there, buddy?
I want to go to Florida this year, though, and I'm a little worried about taking the boys by myself on the airplane.
No.
Like, I've never had a problem, but now he's... Dalton? Nope. Come sit up here. Come sit up here. Yeah. Dalton. Then
Dalton, say hi.
Turn around then.
Hi.
Here, Mommy wants you. Good catch. Oh, honey, ouchie. Ouchie one.
It's okay.
You want a mohawk?
No, he's no mohawk right now.
We're stopping again. How? You're stepping on my toe.
Hey, Willow, can you say hi?
Hi. Two.
Christopher's waving out the thing.
I'm hungry.
Mochi. We're having mochi for dinner tonight.
I know. What kind? Deep fried? I'm gonna bake that stuff it. Cream cheese and honey, or and then I'm gonna fry the other with nori on the outside. I'm gonna fry the other with nori.
I did it. Big.
That's not a baby, that's Jill.
No!
That's not a baby, that's Jill. There's Dalton.
So tired around her eyes.
Here, Dalton, you want to take a video?
Yeah.
Don't press the button, don't press the button. It's already taking a video.
Take these out. What's it?
Don't press it.
Can I have my camera back now?
Camera back, Dalton. Can I have the back now, please?